In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make passive income with your box truck or cargo van or whatever vehicle you drive in this transportation industry. You can easily make money by just sitting back and doing no work at all. Guys, you can be with your family while somebody else is over the road doing all the hard pulling for you. And if you stick tuned to the end of this video, you will learn how to make passive income with whatever vehicle you drive, and I will be showing you multiple platforms that you can make this money on. If you don't know me already, my name is KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. We teach all about passive income over here, so even myself is surprised that I haven't taught how to make passive income in this trucking industry. Strap your seatbelts in. This video is going to be a good one because I know you want to make money doing no work at all. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first way I want to teach you guys on how to make passive income in this trucking industry is if you already have a vehicle, if you already have a box truck or a cargo van, this method will be absolutely good for you. But don't worry, even if you are renting or you don't have a vehicle yet, you can still hop straight into this transportation industry and not do any work at all and start making $100 to even $500 a day. So the first method I'm gonna go over is Amazon. And with Amazon, guys, you can obviously pick these loads up, and Amazon is one of the better load boards, should I say, but they're one of the better companies that you can get loads from. And their load boards, you know, they do have a good rate per mile, and it's easy to get accepted loads on Amazon. All you have to do is be one of the first bidders. You do have an Amazon score, guys. You do have a grade. I believe you have to deliver 10 loads a month to still be eligible to work with Amazon. So you have to pick up consistent loads and you have to be on time, and they have a very strict on-time policy. All you would need is a commercial insurance policy, and on that commercial insurance policy it will have to have $100,000 cargo liability, $1 million auto liability, and $1 million general liability. Also, you would need workers' compensation depending on your state that you were resided in, and also you would need general aggregate insurance. Now, most companies don't require general aggregate liability, but you will need the $1 million, $2 million, the $1 million/2 million general aggregate liability insurance to start driving with Amazon. The approval process takes a couple days, guys, but it's very worth it to go ahead and get the correct requirements for this insurance policy. It may be expensive. If you are starting up a new insurance policy, it might be $1,600 to start up, guys, and a good company to go with is Progressive because they are more lenient if you do have driver accidents. But once you get on the Amazon load board, it's pretty much self-explanatory from there. But what I like about it is that you can just bid on these loads, and more than likely you're gonna get it, versus in a real world load board, guys, where a bunch of dispatchers are constantly on that load board taking these loads as soon as they get posted. The difference between a real world load board and an Amazon load board is that, you know, like I said, you can easily get a load once you bid on it versus having to negotiate, compete with other dispatchers and drivers to get a load on the real world load board. Alright, now this is just the first method, guys. Please stay tuned. I will be going over more methods, but this Amazon, this is how you get signed up. And if you want to start making passive income with this Amazon method, you want to simply just hire a driver. If you don't already have your own box truck, guys, you will need to rent out a box truck, and the best rental company to go with is Ryder Rental Company, guys. They do offer 19 cents per mile and $120 a day in a rental fee. Now, some quick free sauce for you, but before I get into this free sauce, guys, make sure you like this video so that we can get this video pushed out to many others, because many others need to learn how to make this passive income the easy way. So give this video a big like button, share it to your friends, and even drop a comment of what you want to see next. So Ryder Rental Company and most rental companies do have an extra insurance charge that they do charge you to rent their truck. So if you are paying an insurance policy for it, let's just say you have a vehicle, a random vehicle that you have a commercial insurance policy on, or you don't have any insurance at all, what you guys want to do is go online, find you a non-VIN Pacific insurance policy. What this essentially means is that it's a non-VIN Pacific, meaning that it's not registered to a Pacific vehicle. So most rental companies, and especially Ryder, will take your non-VIN Pacific policy. So that non-VIN Pacific, since it's non-VIN Pacific, it's in the name, it's eligible to be insured on the Ryder trucks, and you show Ryder, they will waive that $70 fee a day, guys. Whew. But before I say too much more, guys, I do have way more methods to make this passive income in this trucking industry. I do have links in the description, guys. Subscribe to the Patreon so you can learn step by step how to make this online money, how to make passive income, and even how to start your trucking business. I also have ebook tutorials step by step, everything you need to know on how to get into this trucking industry and what to do and what to look out for. And guys, if you even need help in the crypto industry, or if you even need to reach out to me to ask me any questions you want that's off the video, I do offer coaching calls for $10 for a 10 to 30-minute conversation. All the links in the description, and I do have more useful links and more investing tips in the links in the description. Make sure you check that out. Back to the video. Woo! Another method that you can start making this passive income in the trucking industry is hiring a friend, guys. I know a lot of us probably have those bum friends that's always in need of money, and that's always getting a new job, and that's always searching for a new job. So if you do have a cargo van or a box truck that you already own or that you already lease, guys, this is perfect for you. All you have to do is reach out to your friends that you know is not stable in the workforce, that you know is always job hopping. Offer them $1,000 a week, because a lot of people are still making, you know, $500 to even $800 in just 1 week. So if they can find out that they can make $1,000 just by driving a truck, they're gonna be all in. So this is one way where you can make passive income with your truck. All you have to be responsible for is the maintenances on your truck and getting your driver to these loads on time. Another way you can start getting people to work for you is posting ads on sites such as Craigslist or Indeed. Now let me warn you, sometimes Indeed might not be the easiest site to post on. I know when I tried to post an ad on Indeed to get employees to come to me, they wanted me to pay like $40 for an application fee, each application fee. So I don't know if that was correct or what, but that is what it is. So I do advise you post a $5 ad on Craigslist, and people will start coming to you trying to drive your truck. So yes, guys, market out that you're posting for jobs, guys. You want to get people coming to you, and you want to have probably 1 or 2 drivers on your back end, just in case one of the drivers aren't eligible to go to work. Now the last and final way you can start making passive income in this trucking industry is doing trucking dispatch, guys. Now I do have a full tutorial on how to start up this trucking dispatch company, but trucking dispatching is pretty much where you're in your home office and you give out these loads from your home. You're on the load board searching, and you're giving it to other drivers. By doing trucking dispatch, you absolutely do no work at all, and it is absolutely not very much passive, because you are on the load board searching for loads. But anything you can do to make money, you can make it passive. All you have to do is, like I said, post another ad for people to be on the load board searching it, guys, and you can have people working from home and you not doing no work at all, somebody else working from home giving dispatch loads to your driver or other drivers all throughout the United States. You can make anywhere from $100 to even $2,000 in just 1 day. With trucking dispatch, is 2 ways the money can come in. You can make money by charging the dispatch fee, guys. So this means that you can either charge $300 to $400 a week, or you could charge a 10 to 15% fee for giving out these loads. You can charge anywhere from 5 to 15%, but why would you want to charge 5 when you could try to see if you can get 10, 12, or 15%, guys, per load? So let's just say one day that one of your drivers out of all the drivers clientele that you've built up, if you build up a lot of drivers, say that one driver brings in a load for $1,500. Say you just found him a load for $1,500. He accepts it, guys. Now you make 10% off of that load, which is $150 for that day. And also, you could charge him a quick pay fee. Now, this quick pay fee is gonna work 100% of the times if you are dispatching through Amazon, just like the video right here that I'll teach you how to dispatch. But if you are dispatching through Amazon, you can charge a quick pay fee. And what this means is that once your driver completes the load, obviously he's not going to get the money because you're the owner of the Amazon account and you're doing all the work and negotiating on the back end. So you're going to get paid, let's just say $1,500, and then your driver needs to get paid his money, right? So if you are doing a 10% fee, he's not getting $1,500. Now he is getting $1,350. So now out of that $1,350, you can charge him anywhere from a 1 to 7% fee just to pay him his money. So if you don't know, one thing about the trucking business is that it's mostly a net 30 or even sometimes a net 60 company, guys. Brokers have up to 30 or even 60 days to pay their drivers. So with a quick pay fee, this is pretty much saying that you can get your money in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or even 1 week without any fee or with a small percentage. Now the percentages for a 1 day quick pay, like I said, you can charge up to 7%. But if you want to keep happy customers, if you want to keep happy clientele, charge a 5% fee for a 1 day quick pay. And then from 2 to 3 days, charge 3%. You could charge 2%, and then for anything after 5 days, you could charge 1%, or even give him a free load because he still gave you that dispatching fee. So all in all, just one driver just made you $150 for the day. And say he wants his money in the same day, so you just got another 7% from that one driver. So you can make about $175 off of one driver. And imagine if you build your clientele to have 5 drivers per day bringing you consistent loads, guys. They're accepting consistent loads. And even imagine if you start hiring dispatchers to work by your side or from their home, and then they bring in 5 drivers. Now you have a clientele of 15 people, guys, and now your company can make $5,000 to $10,000 in just one single day. But yes, guys, I do have multiple videos on my channel. Please find all the videos that you need about this trucking industry or about any way you want to make money, guys, because this is Black Investors Group and we do make money easy over here. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make passive income in the trucking industry. Drop in the comments what you want to learn next, guys, and I will provide it. Like I said, check the links in the description if you want to reach out to me for a one-on-one conversation. I do offer it. If you want to read ebooks on how to make this money, I do offer it. And if you want video tutorials, it's in the Patreon and the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, man. This is Black Investors Group. We're on our way to 100K, so join the family and make this money the easy way. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!
Cap.
Wait, hold up. Why you didn't like the video yet, man? I just said like the video. I said it like 5 times throughout the video. So just please do me a favor and just like it. I just gave you all that free sauce. Just give it a big thumbs up. Turn that post notification on. And we out. Woo!